hot water with some dish soap and bleach. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm participating in the monthly Clean and Declutter Open Collab hosted by Small Town 6. Links to her channel will be in my description box below. I'm not going to do too much talking today because I'm hard at work. So sit back, relax, get your favorite drink while I get busy and enjoy this cleaning motivational video. Okay, I've been busy at work and let me just show you. This side of the room is just about finished. I stacked all that stuff over there, and you can see the floor is clean on that side of the room. So that's where I stopped, and I did clear the pool table. So I have just a couple more things to get up, and yeah, all right, moving along. Progress being made. And I still have this hall tree, which I cleaned off somewhat, but I still have some more stuff, and it has to be pulled out and cleaned. All right, winter boots, all kind of things. All right, moving along. Now, in addition to being additional storage, we use our garage as a game room for 3 seasons. During the winter time, it acts as a storage area. We keep the snowblower, the shovels, the salt, and a lot of items we use to clear the yard and the driveway during the winter. So it becomes a hot, dusty, dirty mess. So one of the things that I do during my spring cleaning is to turn the garage back into a game room, so when we have company, we can enjoy game night in the garage. Now, if you haven't done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and, baby, hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now this is more like it. Ready for a game of pool, slots, or playing the drums? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video gave you some cleaning motivation. Thank you to the host, Small Town 6. Please stop by her channel and show her some love. And stop by the playlist, which I will have linked in the description box below for more cleaning motivation. Thank you again for watching today, and until next time.